Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate Google Sheets and Facebook. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new row is added in Google Sheets, it will automatically create a post in Facebook. Now Google Sheet is an awesome spreadsheet program and Facebook is a social media platform. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from Google Sheets to Facebook. But there is one minor problem. There is no integration between Google Sheets and Facebook. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to properly connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Google Sheets and Facebook. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect. Okay, and just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So you just have to clone the template of its workflow, which is available in the description box. Once you clone the template, you will get immediate access to this amazing workflow in your account. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking me to give a name to this workflow. I am going to give it as Google Sheets to Facebook. Google Sheets to Facebook. And then just click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Google Sheets. Google Sheets, I'm sorry, spelling. Google Sheets, this one. Okay, so now in the trigger event, there is only one trigger event, that is new spreadsheet row. So let's select it. Okay, so new spreadsheet row is basically a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new spreadsheet row is created, then what action should be taken by the system? At present, there is only one trigger event, that is new spreadsheet row. Now in case if you want more triggers of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to build. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new spreadsheet row is made in Google Sheet. Okay, so basically the gist of the process is we are going to integrate Google Sheets to Pabbly Connect. So let me introduce you to my Google Sheet. So this is my Google Sheet and it has been titled Facebook post, and this is the column A, and this is the column B. So this message is about a Samsung watch, and this is the image of that watch. Okay, so this is that image. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use this particular rows to create a post in Facebook. So to begin the process of integration, let's click on this button called as add-ons. Click this. Okay, so as you can see, there is a option called as Pabbly Connect Webhooks in my screen. So this is because I have already installed Pabbly Connect Webhooks add-on in my Google Sheet. Now in your case, Pabbly Connect Webhook might not have been installed yet. So just click on Get Add-ons. Okay, so when you click on Get Add-ons, G Suite Marketplace opens up. Here just type Pabbly Connect Webhooks. This one. Okay, so as you can see, it is already installed in my system. All you have to do is just click on this button and it will also be installed in your system. Now, after installing it, do not forget to refresh Google Sheets. Okay, so I'm canceling this. Going back to add-ons, clicking on Pabbly Connect Webhooks and just clicking on Initial Setup. Okay, so this is the window of initial setup. Here we have two choices, the webhook URL and the trigger column. Okay, so to get the webhook URL, let's go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the webhook URL you want. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, so now coming to the trigger column. The trigger column is always the last data entry column. In my case, the last data entry column is column B. So that is why the trigger column is B. Okay, so basically the gist of the process is we have integrated this particular sheet to Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a data entry is made in trigger column B, Pabbly Connect will will capture the data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures this data, let me go to Pabbly Connect and click on this button, Capture Webhook Response. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going back to my sheet and just click on Send Test. Okay, so it is showing the data has been sent. So basically all the data that is present here will be found here. Okay, so as you can see, this is the post message. Okay, post message, and this is the data regarding that. So let me expand this. So this is about the Samsung watch. It is wireless power share, speech to text function, and this is the display resolution. And then we have the next column as the image URL. So this is the image URL and this is the data regarding that. Okay, so basically now we are ready to create a Facebook post from all of this data. So to do that, all you have to do is just click on this plus button. Okay, so when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Facebook pages, this one. Okay, so now in the action event, how about we make it as create page post. Okay, so now there are many more action events like create page photo, create page video, but at present I'm just going with create page post. Now in case if you want more action event according to your choice, just like the triggers, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. Okay, so just click on connect with Facebook pages. In the new credentials, just again click on connect with Facebook pages. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just click on OK. Okay, so when you click on OK, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of this blank is very simple. From the data that we have received from Google Sheet, we are going to create a Facebook post. For example, in the page, it is showing it as Nippon Tech. Now, when we expand this, it is showing a ton of different pages. Okay, so these are all the pages that I have in my Facebook. So as you can see, this is one of my page that is Pabbly team. Okay, so these are all the pages that is being reflected here. Can we find the Pabbly team? Okay, so it must be here. Yes, as you can see, there is a page called as Pabbly team. So basically all those pages, that is all those names that is shown here is basically my Facebook page. So how about I create a page? So I'm going to create a page. Okay, so the page name is how about Absolute Tech Reviews. Okay, and the category I'm keeping it as science, technology and engineering. Okay, description true reviews here. Okay, so this Facebook page will be on science tech review. Basically, we will be reviewing about different softwares, hardwares. In this case, we will be creating a post on Samsung watch. Okay, so I'm going to create the page. Okay, so a page called as Absolute Tech Reviews was created. Excellent. So let me go to Pabbly Connect, and what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to refresh this. So when we refresh this, you can expect to find the page here. Okay, so in the drop down, where is what was the name? Yes, Absolute Tech Reviews. Okay, so basically we are going to create a post in this particular page called as Absolute Tech Reviews. Now in the page access token, we don't have to make any changes, just leave it like that. Okay, so now coming to the message. So basically we are going to map in the message. So all you have to do is just click on this button. This is called as the mapping button. Click this and just type this. Okay, just enter this. So basically we have got the post message. Okay, similarly we have the link URL. Just click this and just map this. Okay, so we have entered so we have data regarding the page, we have entered the message, and then we have entered the link URL. Okay, so just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been sent. So let's have a look in Facebook. Okay, so let me refresh this. Okay, so as you can see, we have the post Samsung watch, wireless power share, speech to text function, and this is the display. And we have the image. Excellent. So the presence of this Facebook post shows that we have successfully integrated Google Sheets and Facebook with help of Pabbly Connect. So how about we double check if our integration is working fine or not. But before we do that, let me show you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So I'm going to minimize my action window. and I'm going to minimize my trigger window. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Google Sheet to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to Facebook pages. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Google Sheets and Facebook pages. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make some more data entries in my Google Sheet so that it will create one more Facebook post. Okay, so before we do that, actually I have to submit this so that this window can disappear. And there is one more thing. I have to go to add-ons and once again go back to Pabbly Connect webhooks and just click on send on event. Okay, so this will ensure that anytime a new row is added or updated, it will start sending the data. Okay, so we have to make some post message here. Okay, so I have entered some drone details and this is the image URL. So I'm just copying this and just pasting it here. So this is the image URL. Okay, so we have entered the data regarding a drone. So this is 4 propeller, weight of the drone is 300 kg, and this is the gross weight, and the flight time is 20 minutes, and this is the image URL. Okay, so for that drone. So let's have a look in Facebook whether we have a post. So let me refresh this. Okay, so as you can see, we have a new post regarding the drone. So this is 4 propeller, weight of the drone is 300 kg. So basically all the data that is present here is being reflected here along with the image. Excellent. So our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a new row is added or updated in Google Sheet, it will be reflected as a post in Facebook.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.